So you want to learn how to make money using content rewards? In today's video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to use content rewards to make money. I'm going to show you how to verify your account, withdraw, choose the best campaign, and yeah, every single thing. So stay tuned and let's get right into the video. Click the link in the description to come to this page. If you've not registered your account, all you need to do is register, and then once you've registered, it will bring you to this place. As you can see, there's so many campaign here and so many campaign. All you need to do is pick a campaign. Basically, just pick a campaign that you like. So I'm just going to go through everything right now and select the best campaign that you can do. So as you can see, there's so many campaign, but the campaign that mostly I do is UGC for content rewards. So basically promoting content rewards, and you know, I get paid for it. So there's so many UGC content rewards campaign here, but you can also do music campaign. As you can see, there's like the viral songs that you can actually promote. As for people who are dancers, maybe if you're a dancer, can join some music campaign. But for me, I mostly do content rewards campaign because that's way more better for me, and that's the one that has worked for me. So you can choose to try what works for you. Either way, I'm going to show you how you can still get approved in every single content that you're making. So once you pick your campaign, all you just need to do is join the campaign. If the thing isn't opening for you, you'll need a VPN. Recently, I don't really use VPN that much, but yeah. So right now you can see that there's so many campaigns here and all that. But the first thing I would advise you to do is to join their Discord. The reason why you need to join their Discord is like, so as you can see, this is their Discord, and if your video gets rejected over and over again, the best thing to do is to come to this Discord before you post any video. Come to the Discord and go to general chat, and then post your videos and ask, and just say, this is the video I want to post, is it good to post? Like, just ask for review from, as you can see, this guy is good. If you see someone that people are always tagging and is always there, just at the person, post your video on this Discord, at the person, just like press like at, and then you can then just pick him. All right, so once you do that, the moderator of the Discord will review your video, and they will tell you if you can post the video or not, if it's gonna get rejected or if it's not gonna get rejected. All right, so that's the best way. Instead of posting videos thinking it's gonna get accepted or not, it's better to post it here first. Once it gets accepted by someone in this group, on this Discord, then you can go ahead and post it on your social media. If at all it gets rejected, come here and create a ticket and then talk to the people. They will accept your campaign. That's if they didn't accept it before. The next thing to do is to come on here, after you post your campaign, make sure to come here, and then you can submit the video. Then the best thing, every time you read through the resources, because there's a lot of things that say please follow the guideline linked below. Make sure you use your picture as PPF. You always go through the resources, everything. You may look like, oh, it's Google Drive, it's just I don't need it. You need it because there may be something that they're writing there and you don't really know anything about it. So it's better to always go through that. So now, once you've submitted it and they've approved it, the next thing people like, if you are in Nigeria or probably any other country, most of the time is a passport. I use the passport to verify my Nigerian passport to verify my own account. As you can see, I've earned $1,600 on this platform. I actually withdrew some money. So I use my Nigerian passport. I paid 200,000 naira for it, to do it that same day and get it that same day. So I advise you make up to like $1,000, and then probably if you don't have any money, just borrow 200k, do the passport, withdraw the money, and then refund the person, and then yeah, it's easy. If you want to withdraw, best thing yet is to use, you can use bank deposit to your Naira account, or you can use crypto, and it will come in a few minutes. The fees is like $4, which is way more affordable. For bank, it's like $30 minimum. So having this is way more better if you want to use it. But yeah, this is how to make money using content rewards. So it's just the full scope. If you have any question, you can comment it down below, and please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.